line up yet.
How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got some new coilovers in. I talked to CX Racing. They just gave me my money back. So I ordered some K-tunes, the K1 32-way adjustable. A little more expensive, but obviously worth the money. We're gonna find out. But so gonna do K-tune coilover install on my 2002 RSX. We're currently 4x4ing, monster trucking. We'll show you how she's monster trucking here, and we'll just get right to it. And maybe not tonight because it's already getting dark, but at least get a video started here. Super 4-finger gap, front, rear. So let's see if we can get it down to a 1, or about 1 is what I want, about 1. So got the headlights in. I was going to do install on that, but my battery died and I got impatient. She looks good. But fix this fitment and this 4-finger gap here, and should be looking a lot better, hopefully. If this all works out. Those coilovers from CX Racing really made me mad. I did a lot of work to get those in there. But yeah, we'll get to it. Stop talking. Alright, we're back. I just realized I forgot to show you what I got for it. So let's just quickly show you here, and we'll get to it. Got some Megan Racing adjustables for the rear, some fender washers. I think they're Godspeeds, JDM, my bad. But front adjustable bolts. The other side for the rear camber. They're pretty nice actually. They got really good paint. What else we get? We got some, I believe these are my Megan rear red, iodized red control arms. Yeah, this is exactly what they are, because those are the... Alright, then we got my coilovers. Hopefully these work out. They look a lot better. I was looking at them earlier. They're... Ow. Damn mosquito. They're the K-Tune adjustables. They got the little shock dampener thingy, and they look really nice. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully I can get it to a finger gap, 1 finger gap. Yeah, that's same thing. There's the rear, the other side's over here. Got dampeners and all that in here. Keys. Cool. Some more. Yeah. So we'll get to it and show you at least a little bit on how to do this. I don't have the best software. I downloaded the Coral Editing Studio Ultimate, and I paid like 80 bucks for it. Maybe it was 90, I don't know what it was, but I couldn't get it to work. So I'm still using the Windows 10, like this video player editor. It's why my videos are garbage, but I'm just working with what I have, because I'm not the most computer savvy, I would say. But at least I'm trying. I enjoy making the videos and whatnot, but and editing them, but I just can't figure out a program to use that I can use. So I'm just going through programs and trying different ones, but so far no luck. Just be patient with me. Eventually I'm gonna get it, and we'll have some decent videos here, but until now it's just some garbage videos. Got some more done on the Delisol, got the wiring harness hooked up here, but we'll do that in another video. Alright, get to it. What up? Got the front K-Tune coilovers in. I got lost for a second. Looks pretty good. It's like 1 finger gap basically is what I got. Holy moly. I'll show you what I got, and then I'm gonna get on the back. It's really windy, so I'm not recording. I'm just gonna show you little pieces here and there throughout the video. Here we go. She's about 1 finger gap. About to do the other side, or the rear. Yeah, I can't even get my hand in there. So, got 1 finger, and I got small hands, so she's pretty low. This one seems a little bit lower. I'm gonna have to adjust it, but it's looking good. Getting there. Sick. Through the rears, and then I'll show you how it looks. I might even record a little bit if the wind ever dies down. But gonna get it jacked up here. Use jack stands so you're always safe. I've heard horror stories, and I don't want to be one of those guys. So let's get her done.